I wrote this poem in honor of President Barack Obama, who will be in office a year on January 20th. You are doing a very good job, Mr. President. My daughter is serving in Iraq, and she asked me to put this poem on YouTube so that she can see it. I hope that all the people who view this video will have an open mind and listen with their heart at what it is saying. I dedicate this poem to you, Mr. President, my daughter, Private Jasmine Dandridge, and to all the young men and women who are serving our country. Yes, we can. And yes, we did. Don't stay back and be hid. God made, shaped this man who took a stand to develop a plan to save God's land. What you want? What's wrong with you? And what you gonna do? In the world of politics, there are many tricks. All you Republicans with the stiff necks who plan to rule the land will need the health care plan. All the haters, naysayers, and procrastinators are finally out. The White House, no doubt, is what they are fighting about. Yes, we can. And yes, we did. Don't stay back and be hid. What you want? What's wrong with you? And what you gonna do? We all did time. We had 8 years of crime. Don't you think it's about time to cut the line? All the circumstances, advances, what are the chances? Education is the key for the world to be preparing the future clearly for you and me. What you want? What's wrong with you? And what you gonna do? President Obama listened to his loving mama about the world and the forthcoming drama. God had a plan for this young man. He has the whole world in his hand. The man with the plan to help save our land. What you want? What's wrong with you? And what you gonna do? War. What is it good for? Absolutely nothing. Iraq, Iran, Pakistan, Afghanistan, all are fighting about God's land. Where is the love for one another as we are all brothers? What you want? What's wrong with you? And what you gonna do? The economy, as we can see, is on the road to recovery. Drugs, thugs, no hope and dope, no thrills and pills. Look to the hills for yourself. There you will find God's help. Yes, we can. And yes, we did. Don't stay back and be hid. What you want? What's wrong with you? And what you gonna do? Pick yourself up, dust off the dirt, and believe in yourself. Pull up your pants. This is your chance to advance. Let's take the stand behind the man with the plan to help build up the land as God's plan. Let it be, and you will see that He's for you, the world, and me. Yes, we can. Yes, we did. Don't stay back and be hid. What you want? What's wrong with you? And what you gonna do? President Obama, I know that you have decision-making issues with the earthquake that hit Haiti. Mr. President, God provides everything that you need and requires to do your job. In a changing world, you can trust in God's unchanging word. He has His armor of protection around you, and He has His armor of protection around the people of Haiti. A true blessing is on its way. Just hold on and wait on the Lord. It's already worked out.